Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to reduce header and footer size in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document and we can see here included the header and footer. Now we want to reduce the size. Go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Then we can see here show the all page at once. Then we enable the master page and double click on the master page. Then select the header option and go to the layer section and unlock the header and footer. Then select the header text. Click and drag on our mouse or double click the header text. Then go to the character option and select the size. Then reduce the size. Then apply the same process on the footer. Then go back the tool section, select the move tool and disable the master page. Now we can see we reduce header and footer size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.